Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. The second charity shop gold or garbage of the day. We did Kingswood first thing this morning and I bought some stuff, and then we went to Keynsham for our midday snack and I did some more charity shops and I saw this. Obviously Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, radio controlled, toy state. Cost me £2, no controller obviously, and if we take the sticker off, and the sort of thing that usually turns me right off trying to buy radio controlled cars, 2.4 gigahertz. When they're 27 megahertz or 40 megahertz, I can usually find a controller to match it, but 2.4 gigahertz, no chance whatsoever. So I was thinking, I suppose I could put a different receiver in it, one of my spare 27 megahertz or whatever. That'd get it to work, so we only need it to do the steering and the accelerator, throttle, whatever you want to call it, forwards, backwards. But I then remembered I do have a box full of 2.4 gigahertz receivers that never match anything, but in that box, look what I got. I don't know how many years I've had this for, but it's been in my stock, never matched anything. Put batteries in it, put batteries in this, switch it on, and guess what? It's a match. The only thing is, the gear must be slipping, because go on, you did it just then, didn't you? I'm not going to do it now. I mean, clearly the motor works, but there's a gear slipping. It did briefly grip just then, didn't it? It's not going to do it now. So we're going to have to take it apart and work on it. And I could actually see when I peeked up the side of it, I don't know if we can see that, but just up there, there's a black blob, a piece of black sticky tape. It looks like somebody's taken it apart in the past. Can we see that? How about if I put the light on? Hang on. Just up at this end, that sort of black just there, that's some sticky tape. Somebody's done something. So yeah, initially it was going to be junk, then it was maybe we could swap the receiver, then it was, gosh, wow, I've actually found one that matches this, and then we're going to have to take it apart anyway because there's either a slipping gear or split gear or teeth missing. There's something wrong there. So yeah, we'll take it apart and we'll do some work on it. And we might actually have a working Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles battle bus, or whatever they call it. Well, clearly it's called Venus. Okay, I've never actually watched any of their cartoons, videos, whatever. But I do know what they are. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.